Money while you sleep? GOFINITY lets you do just that by building a business that earns money all the time. Our social selling business model is powered by the same activities that make your favorite videos go viral: sharing and duplication. Here's our simple plan called the Taste and Tell system. All you need to do is find 3 business partners and 6 customers, then help your business partners do the same. Don't worry if you're not a sales expert. We'll help you every step of the way. Here's how to start. Think of 6 people who support your business by buying from you every month. This can be people from social media, someone you've met while running errands, your closest friends, or even your family members. And we make it easy to maintain your customers with our auto ship program, so you don't have to remind them to buy. Next, find 3 people who want to make extra money and be your business partners. Teach them to find their own customers, and you've started what we call duplication. So you might be asking, what's duplication? It's when your business partners find their customers and partners, repeating what you did. This creates levels in your business. More levels mean more money for you. Here's an example. At your first level, it'll be you, 3 business partners, and 18 customers, equaling $162 a month in residual income. And that doesn't even include your own 6 customers or your commissions. At the second level, it's 9 partners, 54 customers, and $486 a month. Fifth level is 243 partners, 1,458 customers, and $10,303 a month. This is a strong way to grow your business, and it's made easy for everyone to follow. Ready to join? You can become a GOFINITY consultant by enrolling with a product pack. This will allow you, your business partners, and potential customers to experience the products. Next, choose the Taste and Tell kit that comes to you monthly. Enjoy your products and share samples. Now, get your 6 customers to try the product and sign up for auto ship. We suggest Butonic, a vitamin supply they'll need every month. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll build the income that keeps growing. And remember, with GOFINITY, it's possible.